ඔයා අවුරුදු 12ක් ස්කෝලේ ටියුෂන්ස් වල එක්සෑම්ස් ලියලිය කටපාඩම් කර කර ඉංග්ලිෂ් ඉගෙනගෙන තාම ඔයාට හරියට ඉංග්ලිෂ් කතා කරගන්න බැරි නම් ඔයාට එකපාරක්වත් හිතිලා ඇති මොන බොරුවක්ද අපි ඒ කරේ කියලා. So today we will decode the lies that the traditional education system instilled in us and more importantly learn what actually works instead. Hi, I'm Zoe from JustEnglish.lk and every week I meet students who says the same thing. මට English තේරෙනවා හැබැයි කතා කරගන්න බෑ. or මට කියන්න ඕන දේ හිතන්න පුළුවන් හැබැයි කියාගන්න බෑ. First කියන්න ඕනේ this doesn't mean that the people in the traditional system is the problem. It is that the system itself don't facilitate a practical approach to learning English. So, let's start. Lie number 1, you must learn grammar first. Traditional education system had a very grammar first approach. Usually the focus was more on tenses, sentence structures and whatnot. So what happened? You memorize these lessons. But real life එකට ඔයා ඔය ඉගෙන ගත්ත දේවල් ටික apply කරන්න practice කරන්න chance එකක් හම්බුන්නේ නැහැ. Why this is a lie? Don't consider grammar as a starting point. Grammar is more like polish, not the engine. Think about how you learn Sinhala or Tamil, your native language. Did someone teach you grammar rules first? No, you spoke first, then grammar came in later. Try to put your focus on patterns, not rules. So, for example, instead of learning present continuous tense, learn I am plus verb plus ing. I'm going to work. I'm working on this project. I'm thinking about it, etc., etc. Use these patterns and speak first. Then you can get into the technicalities of grammar. Lie number 2. Mistakes are the worst thing that can happen to you when learning English. ගොඩාක් වෙලාවට traditional education system එකේ English ඉගෙන ගද්දී mistakes කරන්න තිබ්බ space එක හරිම අඩුයි. It's almost is seen like a taboo to make a mistake. And we understand it is mainly because this is an exam-based system. So, mistakes කරලා ඔයාගේ learning speed එකත් එක්කලා adjust වෙන්න තිබ්බ space එක හරිම අඩුයි. අනිත් එක තමයි the shame that comes with making a mistake. The embarrassment of making a mistake in front of your class was pulled out of proportions because of this comparison and judgment culture which is very common in Sri Lanka. Why this is a lie? Mistakes are not failure. Mistakes are data. මේ mindset එක නැතුව ඔයාට English ඉගෙන ගන්න අමාරුයි. If you are not making mistakes, it means you're not speaking enough. And on the other hand, creating a space that is comfortable enough to make mistakes and speak up is the duty of a teacher. Unfortunately, some may have failed to do so, and it may have created some problems in your learning progress. What actually works? Think of it like this. Your goal is not correct English, your goal is clear English. For example, if you say, yesterday I go shop, that is okay. I still understand you. Communication is successful. Build that confidence to speak up and make mistakes. මොකද accuracy කියන්නේ repeated guidance and practice වලින් හදන්න පුළුවන් දෙයක්. Lie number 3. Good English equals to advanced vocabulary. ස්කෝලේ යනකොට dictionary එකෙන් බල dictation ලියලිය ඉගෙන ගත්ත සේරම words දැන් මතකද? ගොඩාක් වෙලාවට native speakers ලත් use කරන්නේ නැති words අපි ඉගෙන ගත්තා. Why this is a lie? To build up fluency, you don't really need fancy words. You need usable words. Language එකක main function එක තමයි අනිත් කෙනාට අපි කියන දේ තේරුම් ගන්න පුළුවන් වෙන එක. What actually works. You have to master high frequency phrases. ඒ කියන්නේ individual words වෙනුවට situation එක අනුව use කරන්න පුළුවන් sentences practice කරන එක. For example, opportunity කියන word එක මතක තියාගෙන කටපාඩම් කරනවා වෙනුවට use it in a sentence. I would love this opportunity. ඒ sentence එක use කරන තැන use කරන්නේ කොහොමද? ඒක මතක තියාගන්න. Because 100 strong phrases will be more useful for you than 10,000 useless words. The real truth. English subject එකක් විදිහට ගන්න එපා. ඒක skill එකක් විදිහට ගන්න. You don't study speaking. You practice speaking. අනෝ කොච්චර කටපාඩම් කළත් English කතා කරන්න confidence එක එන්නේ repetitive practice වලින්, not through perfection of grammar rules. I think if you are someone who relates with the things that were said in this video, you are exactly the kind of students we work with at justenglish.lk. If you want to share the lies that stopped your English progress, පල්ලෙහා comment එකක් දාගෙන යන්න. අපි පුළුවන් විදියට උදව් කරන්නම්. And like this video if you would like to, and subscribe for the truth. See you guys in the next one.